Yes, people, blessed good morning, blessed good morning. Yeah, big style again, my people. Yes, my people. Yeah, man, so I don't know what I'm going on, man, now, my people. It's all cornmeal, my people. And we have a vanilla lasco. And we have a nutmeg. And I want nuts. Yes, my people, and we have some plantain. So I'm going to make some cornmeal porridge. Yes, my people, I'm going to blend out the coconut juice. Yes, my people, I'm going to fry some plantain. Yes, my people, so we are shot a little early breakfast. The kids are over there, so wait. Yes, my people. And I don't know, my people, the fire burn. Yes, man, I always keep the fire burning. Yes, man. Keep the fire burning, burning, my people. Blessings, my people. They are going bounce to organic silk city. You don't know how to cover one herbs. Yes, man. Blessings. You don't know if I stop kitchen in my people. How you go? Bless me, mighty Jaja, bless me. Bless me so that they can trust me. Bless me, mighty Jaja, bless me. Bless me, mighty Jaja, bless me. Come on, I lost the vibes in my people. You don't know, so I'm gonna stay tuned. I'm gonna see what I want. You hear that, my people? One love, pick up on yourself. Yes, the people, so say coconut on my paper. Yes, man. Coconut my paper. I put him in my paper, I'm going to broke him up. I'm going to cut him up and I'm going to blend him in the blender of my paper. Yes, man, so I'm going to wash him off down like this. Yes, my paper, so. Ring some off, huh? Then you're going to cut them up with the paper. Yes, people say just slice them up like this. I don't slice them up, I go blend them. Yes, my people. Blending time, people, blending time. Yes, the people, so we're going to blend the coconut and work. Set on the pot of paper. Now strain the coconut and paper. That's it. Yes, my paper. So we have juice out the coconut and we have a boiled cornmeal porridge. I pour cornmeal like this. Yes, man. Pour the cornmeal in the paper. We're going to put some water. Put some water in the paper. We have to do like this. Wait, my people, we're gonna mix out this, get some more water and go. My people. I turn cornmeal in, people. Cornmeal porridge me I make. I want to tell me how to boil my cornmeal porridge, and I do it in a phone one way, and I just watch how me do it. My paper. Yes. You see me do that now? Yeah, I wet the cornmeal and mix it out. Get my paper. Yeah man, so that are the coconut juice in the pot, my people, wanna see it? Yes man, coconut juice. I'm gonna pour in the cornmeal paper. Yes man. So when I watch how I go on and do my thing, you know, people. Everybody do them thing different. Yeah. Then I go stir in my paper. Take the paper. Yes, my paper. So remember now, make the coconut juice boil. Yes, my people, I am mix him out, mix him out, mix him out, mix him out, mix him out. Yeah. Just like that, my paper. Worry about the lumping. I soon can't see no lump on no see night my paper. You understand? Yes, man. Yes, people. So I see water and I blend that again. Vanilla lasco. Yes, my people. So I pour that in there. Well, I have some sugar on my paper. Yes, man. As I say, body do them porridge different. I'm going to blend out my sugar and my Alaska. Paper. So now see it then now. Yes man, so we're gonna pour in the lasco. So I blend the sugar and the lasco together with my paper. Yes man, I'm gonna stir it. Yes my paper, wanna see milk come up in it. Yes man. Yes, my paper. I stir him. Fire blaze. Take my paper, cornmeal porridge. Still not done nothing on my paper. Yes, man. So I make that go and cook. Take my paper. Yes man, cornmeal porridge man and fire blaze. Keep it burning. Yes man, take our next story again, you know. Yes, my people. Yes, my people. We have a nutmeg paper. We have some vanilla. Yes, my people, so we are good on the pot. Yes, man. Man of people, I blend the Alaska and the sugar and put it in there. Now we are great at the nutmeg, my people. Yes, man, nutmeg. See the paper. After the paper, I'm going to stir it up again. Yes, man. Yeah. So the vanilla now my paper. We'll do it with the cock. We're gonna pour some. We have 1 cock, 2 cock. I put 3 cock in it. So 3 of the small cock, people. As I say, everybody do them things different. But tell the bigs are showing how I'm dealing with the same thing. That's the paper. You wanna see it? Cornmeal porridge, my paper. So I eat that, my paper. Plantain time, my paper. Plantain time. Plantain time. We're gonna strip the plantain like this. Woo! Wanna run? See the paper? Again, we do like this. This is the green plantain paper. So you're gonna see what I'm gonna do to it. Again, I'm gonna show you. Just like peeling a banana paper. See? This one is actually almost ripe. Banana paper. See? Plantain. I'm finished peeling the plantain, so I'm gonna split them in 2. We're gonna fry them, and after we fry them, we're gonna do like this. We're gonna put a piece in there, we're gonna press it. Okay, so stay tuned, my people. You soon see how I do that part. Yes, people, cornmeal porridge ready now. Yes, man, cornmeal porridge ready. Yes, my people. So now go take off the patty and do. Put him one side. My people, I rest him right there, so. See frying pan of the plant, my people. Go set on the frying pan. Yes, my people, so frying pan up on the fire. I'm going to pour in some oil. We have some oil, my people. Man, we have a fried plantain and we have cornmeal porridge. So the cornmeal porridge boiled already, so we're going to fry the plantain. So that is the oil. So I'm going to stay tuned, seeing with my people. And big up on yourself, you know. Big up to all who watch the channel already. Big up to all who don't get to watch it yet. Say the way. Yes, my people. You don't know. Blessings, and that's it. Planting in oil, my people. Yes, man. I'm going to make my oil well hot. Love when the oil is hot, you know, the plant now fry. See my people. So I'm gonna see that in the paper. Plantain in a pot. Free. See my paper? We'll take him off and we're going to press him. See my paper? Yeah, just like that. So that ready, my people. I want that in a plate, in a people. Oh, the people, I forgot to tell you nothing, you know, I have 2 sour sap and I have some lime, this to my people. So, no, I'm going later, you know. Later on, a trouble. Yes, my people, trouble later on, man.
Yes,
trouble.
Trouble.
Trouble, my people. As me show you. Get my paper. Porridge time, my paper. Porridge time, porridge time, porridge time. The porridge look my paper. Yes, man. So I share some of the paper. Twice half and nice. And the baby can drink my paper. See the people, plantain, plantain. Plantain time. So I share up my breakfast and people come and eat and do. Eat my paper. Yes man, so I have a plantain and stuff. I have a porridge soup. I don't know breakfast ready, you know. I make porridge. We have some fried plantain, we have some paper. Yes man. So we're going to take a bite of the plantain. And we're going to drink some porridge, people. So the thing I know, people, like, subscribe and share. Yes man, I love him, so yeah, check it out. Boom.